Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, I'm gonna make this bag into an adjustable one. So I'm not gonna take anything from here, but instead to add one more materials. So guys, stay tuned and keep on watching. So this is the bag that I'm gonna adjust, make it adjustable. And I'm gonna use this zipper. This is a separate zipper. See, as you can see, this one is separate. And I'm gonna also use this thread and a needle, and of course this scissor. So guys, keep on watching. So this zipper, guys, is detached or apart from each other. Okay, so I'm gonna use this one. So I'm gonna loosen up this first. So guys, I'll be putting the zipper in here. This one. Wait. This is the partner of the zipper. So I'll be putting it here near the bottom of the bag. Like this. So guys, this part is already done. See, this is the first zipper. So I'm now putting this one. So this is the first zipper that I put, this one, and this one is the second one. This will become like this later on. See? So guys, I'm almost done. So guys, I'm done now. So it's done. Sewing this zipper all around it. And now I'm gonna put this one in first. And then so now I'll be putting this one. So guys, so now it's smaller already, right? So thank you so much guys for watching again my video on how to adjust this long bag. Thank you so much guys. Thank you to all my subscribers and viewers. Please support me on my next video. Just like, subscribe, and click the notification bell, and also share my video. Thank you guys so much, and God bless to all of you. Bye.